What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the KSERIES Kyle YouTube channel, and today my hands are already dirty because I forgot about you guys. I was charging the battery earlier and I was like, oh crap, YouTube. So I just wanted to bring you through my process so far. Please ignore the music, and I'm trying to hold the camera so I don't get it all dirty. So I put the throwout bearing in the transmission. That's kind of hard to see right now. I've just been rocking along here. As you can see, there's no motor here, which where the motor was. You walk on over here and oh yeah, boys, got the first motor mount in. This is actually a Honda CR-V motor mount, by the way. K24s and the K20 Civic years actually don't fit unless you have the 2002 through 2006 passenger side motor mount. Sorry guys, I'm being kind of slow right now because I had my mind on all this. But anyways, that's about all I've done to the motor so far. Oh, wait a minute, yeah. So I put all of the alternator, water pump, AC, and then down here, you go down here, and we got this beautiful stage 4 clutch masters clutch on the Exity lightweight flywheel. Put all that on. And now is time for the transmission. So I think I have all the bolts. I just wanted to make sure I have all the bolts. But I'm just gonna start putting the transmission on, and we'll get this time lapse going, and I'll stop in between time and like talk to you guys about the progress. So there's no way this thing's going in tonight. It is what is it, Wednesday night, and I've got school tomorrow, I've got tests tomorrow, quiz tomorrow. So yeah, I'll just get as far as I possibly can tonight, and hopefully all goes well, not missing anything. And here we go.
Take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. It's a shame, 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 it's a shame,
So as you can see by that first time lapse, got the motor in the air. Well, that already happened before. So transmission, I've been having some troubles with it, and I'll show you why. It's because there was actually two of these little guys inside of it already, so they're just bumping up against each other, and I was wondering why they were why it wasn't just sliding on once I had the gear into the clutch area. And that's why, because there was actually hang on, let me go under here. There's actually 2 of them. There's one right there, which is supposed to be there, vice versa, and then there was also one right there. So I couldn't put it in. So I was literally just fighting myself that whole time. So hopefully we're gonna have some better luck now since I got that guy out. Alright guys, I'm still on the same step. It's been a little while now because I was having trouble getting the transmission to actually go in due to the little thing still. So then I finally got this bolt in, got a bottom bolt in, about to put the rest of the bolts in, and then we should be moving. Well, I gotta go eat dinner first because let me see what time it is. 8:05 and I haven't eaten dinner ever since I got home from track practice. I've been doing this. So I'm gonna get the transmission bolted down. I'm not gonna time lapse that. Then I'm gonna start time lapsing, actually assembling everything so far tonight, and this will be like a part 1 out of however many. All right, guys. Well, I did the dinner and the eat stuff. So currently everything is in so far, motor and transmission wise. I got this little guy on. Connecting AC stuff right now. Connect shifter linkage. Already connected the clutch, and gotta connect some stuff on the back of the engine. And time lapse time.
Come on, baby, you should take my hand.
Alright guys, so getting pretty tired. GoPro's about to die. I think I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna wrap up a couple of things, but I've pretty much got the wiring harnesses hooked up, besides like up here because I gotta leave those out for compression tests and stuff like that. Gotta hook up the computer, which is, you know, simple. Leave mass airflow. Around the back side of the motor, everything is connected besides the cam, like the little cam one, because I gotta get a Wireworks adapter for K24 motors. Other than that, we're moving right along. Got the shifter linkage connected up. I'm probably gonna finish up the computer tonight and probably get the battery tray in. Other than that, that is what we got for tonight, for part 1. And I guess we'll do a part 2. I don't think I can do it tomorrow. I got a track meet. But Friday night. So 2 days. I may upload this tomorrow. I'm not sure if I have the energy tonight, but so 2 days, or tomorrow, hopefully, definitely 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. So 2 days, Friday night, I will be at it with a part 2 on this. I gotta pick up a couple of parts, a couple of brackets and stuff that I forgot about. But that concludes today's video. Hope you enjoyed the motor going in-ish, almost in all the way. Thanks for watching the KSERIES Kyle YouTube channel. Go down below, comment, subscribe, and definitely subscribe for more of this car, which will be driven at the end of this weekend, I think. Yeah. I'll see you guys on Friday.